Hi, my name is Jimmy Lick from Joyriders TV Productions, and today we're going to learn how to darken hair in Photoshop. So the first thing you want to do is open up your file of the person that you want to darken the hair. I'm just going to use a stock photo. You can see on this image that her hair is just a little bit overexposed, and I kind of just want to darken it and build a little bit of contrast. So the first thing we're going to do is duplicate the image, and that's Control-J on the keyboard. And that way we have the background, it's locked down and we can't really touch it or mess anything up. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add an adjustment layer, and basically that will take the yellows and darken them out. So click here on adjustment, go to Selective Color, and since our hair is blonde, we'll go to yellow, and basically we're just going to boost up that yellow just to build up a little bit of contrast, take it up to about 85%. We can also bring out the blacks, and that darkens all around the lighter spots. The next thing that we're going to be doing is using the burn tool. So you can kind of go over here, mine's already selected, but if you have to, you can hold down and select burn. And basically using this brush size, we can take it down a little bit. I'm using the brackets for keyboard commands. And basically you're just going to click and hold down and just kind of go all around the light spots on her hair. And that basically burns out that long exposure. There we go. And if that's a little bit too dark, we have the two layers, so you can kind of come over here and adjust the fill. We'll take it down to about 80%, and that brings in some of the color. The last thing that you want to do is you want to go up to File and Save As a New Image. So we'll kind of go over here, up to File, go down to Save As. You can rename it to whatever you want. That's pretty much it. I'm Jimmy Lick from Joyriders TV Productions, and that's how you darken hair in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.